Sniffler. Kitten. Kitten. So I picked Sniffler up to snuggle while I was at the microwave. My back is getting tired, but I picked him up. And, oh, that was Greta. He got on my shoulder. Don't go on. No. He got on my shoulder, so I was like, okay, you just jump off. But he just crawled onto my back. Sniffler! Is that just, does he do that often? I think it's just adorable, but I'm getting really tired of holding him up. And I was in the kitchen, so I had to walk to the den to get my camera, hunched over with a Sniffler kitten on my back. And Greta is very confused. She doesn't understand. Okay, Greta, I mean Sniffler. I gotta go. My dinner is ready. Ugh. Okay, you. There he goes. Oh, yes. Oh, Sniffler. Just so cute. That is two of them. There are two Snifflers. Okay. Oh, kitten. Yes. Okay, bye. It's hard to say goodbye to Sniffler.